Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have admin rights and stable network access. This lets you change system and firewall settings. Next, check the configured proxy in browser and OS settings so you know the baseline. Once done, record the machine IP, gateway, and DNS to avoid losing connectivity. Make sure no user-level VPN or extension is masking traffic. These initial checks speed debugging and prevent accidental lockout when you change firewall or proxy rules. Now you dig into the rules. List active firewall entries with netch or iptables and identify rules bound to interfaces. Then test the proxy by attempting a direct TCP connect to its port. If that fails, check proxy logs for authentication or ACL denials. Once you find a rule blocking your client or destination, adjust the rule scope rather than blanket allow. Make sure to keep a backup of current rules before edits and document any changes for rollback. Finish by applying the minimal firewall or proxy changes and restart the affected services, then retest browsing and service connections. If issues persist, run traceroute and packet captures to see where packets drop, and use Telnet to confirm port reachability. Make sure proxy ACLs, user authentication, and upstream routers aren't still denying traffic. If you still see blocks, revert to your backup rules and work through changes one at a time. This troubleshooting method prevents accidental wide open.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.